Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. Welcome to this video comparing Photoshop with artificial intelligence. As you can see, creating this thumbnail in Photoshop requires a lot of effects, creativity, knowledge, ideas, and many small details. Take a look at this folder. See how many layers and details are involved. Now you might wonder, why is the background black? That's because of this folder. Inside there's one image that has been edited, and two color layers that have also been heavily modified. Imagine, you have to create all these layers, add them, position them correctly, edit each one, brainstorm ideas, and learn new skills. Yes, this approach works and gets you to your goal, but it requires lots of training and time. Now, let's move on to artificial intelligence. To create a good prompt for an AI, I actually use another AI. Faced with tears of joy, I asked ChatGPT to write me a solid prompt for a YouTube video thumbnail in landscape size. I gave it my color palette and told it not to overuse it. I also asked for a modern style with special effects. And ChatGPT delivered exactly what I needed. Now, let's take a look at this image generation AI. The prompt it generated was divided into sections: colors, styles, and effects. This AI offers 3 quality options. Fast and basic costs 4 points. High quality costs 20 points. Ultra quality costs 40 points. You can also set the image size, choose the style, select the color theme, adjust lighting, and even upload an image to modify with your prompt. Let's generate an image. If you've enjoyed the video so far, I'd really appreciate it if you give it a like and subscribe to the channel. And let me know in the comments what tutorial you'd like to see next. I didn't cut this video, so you can see how quickly it delivers results. And yes, you probably noticed, the thumbnail for this video was created with this AI. Faced with tears of joy. It only took me 1 to 2 minutes. Whereas, if I had done it in Photoshop, it would have taken me days. In short, with a good prompt, you can get great thumbnails. This AI even gives you some free points at the beginning. Depending on which quality option you pick, basic, good, or ultra, you'll spend more or fewer points. In the future, I'll also make a video showing you how to use these kinds of AIs for free, unlimited. The name of this AI is Pixlr, and I'll leave the link in the description for you. Now, let's check out a few more similar AIs. First, we have Fotor. This one is fantastic. Supports up to 3,000 characters for prompts, gives free credits at the start, and allows you to set the number of outputs, image size, and style. Best of all, it even lets you create videos. Next up is Canva. Definitely one of the best. You provide the style, size, and most importantly, a precise prompt. The more accurate your prompt, the better your results. And finally, Snappa. It's good, but I recommend the previous ones more. So that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more.